for a free and rich conversation be akoso ewo social media. Na enkrofo can be say judges is through. And say judges ye mistake. What is the act they carry? You know, the judiciary, you know, for me, the truth is that the judiciary, among the three arms of government, they are the most discreet. Omona say, obiasro so obeko so omona say inseme si wo hokra na yenti yenhu. And that's exactly why anasa yema ya wanase babe expose on judges no a shocking Ghana phone na assembliesi ye ni enim say lady a friend no se wa me oye journalist ewo GH1 na Nansenya ena o graduate ye as lawyer. Now 2 days ago ena story bi ba say wako court trese oni ni team aku Supreme Court. Na ye say judge bia o Supreme Court ono ni buefu se wa meye. Enye say bia se wa meye ye bibi. Okay, so the report we heard and they say judge no kasetia se wa meye o Supreme Court DNT or say DNT na se wa meye owie loss owie ye as lawyer Nansenya no. Ono ba Supreme Court judges enim a team a woni omo ba no judge lawyer bi kan ho a lawyer no a practice at least 1 year ansa na se wa me here eba incident no se wa me here no e na one judges no and wo dis a team nenim eba Supreme Court. What you say? So basically that was the issue, or that has that is the case I reporting in the bank. So say Supreme Court scolds se wa me here for appearing and leading 1-year-old lawyer before them without a senior. Not just no law school. Obabedane law nanse. Obabedane lawyer nanse ya. Lawyers are wodi omo abakota and lawyers are abakota wo mo bedi asem no. Obi ka ho a ono no waye lawyer for 1 year. Now so se wa me here na wo ye team leader. Onti ase se obi aye lawyer for 1 year no. Se wa me here mom e na lead ni pakro no Supreme Court. Nti se judge ne ka se tia se wa me here. Na asem we ema lawyers bebre ba bontin be ka say judge na dia wo ye no mo nti ase because emfa ho e bia na obi wo ho a eye law profession no e na e bia wentumi amambe dane lawyer ntem but ye kan Ghana law pan anka bosua nti se we wie no waba wanimu a die nza na wo se wo ka say ni team a woni omo ba no lawyer bi wo mu asa lawyer no eye lawyer 1 year ansa wo no se wa me ye be dane lawyer nti no die nti na se wa me ye na wo lead. What some people are saying is say you don't understand why probably maybe case na eba no ti as ye nti na ye ma na lead nti die nti na wo say judge kasa tie se wa me ye it was divided omo ano mo be kasa ma se wa me ye no kasa ma no omo ano be kasa tia na nso no kasa tia no wa wonim se wa me ye nso ye obi a on social media or a lot of enemies. Nti dodo na nso kasetia no. Na asem no ye no na platform bi a omo dedicate omo ho a wo report on law in sensem nko ano. Platform bi a ye frɛ no the law platform. Nti ho na the law platform for the story no ba bonti. In fact omo pu no mo breaking news no. So omo the story no ba bonti na after some hours ye call the law platform or say ye call still story no wo na ye call any delete story no. It's journalist bi anti ase say the entia na mo atro story a ye factual na mo de ato mo platform so about a judge na afi mo akwa delete ti ho na the law platform for no ba be respond ma journalist ni say judge bi ba be hu wo mo ti yenim say yes a judge ne dia ba judge bi ba be hu wo mo and as a judge no ni omo kasa ye ka so wo de na hwe mo fa ncho mo delete story no inta no mo delete story no and inta no mo yi story ni free omo platform so respect our mo judge no omo wo ma judge no and unti no mo yi sa story no inta no so akwa twensem fofora ba say what is going on in Ghana say judge ni filisa ade a wo ye na a writer the inta na the judge say be share journalist say story a ya report no yen free ho. Now to say judge need to take a decision bi sana probably maybe asem bi ba na sa judge need to asem ne so a ono so ye lab say nkrofo ba behu no mo be katen so the same way the esro the manenka obema naka ana bibi nti akwa raise a lot of issues nkrofo kra person mo take legal action over this particular thing. So something that happened that is not even supposed to be this huge, and that is how big it is becoming. And so we are going to read comments and then I'll let people understand. And then your first time waha, subscribe and click the notification bell on the so. Oya latest news biaba wonsa ebeka. This video is proudly sponsored by Zent Rents GH. Me sha say me kasafa Zent Rents GH enhono. Me hu ne say landlords bebramu tie me no mo ahya ase e postimo dan ewo ho. It is good. And there we say na Ghana issue e yiri nkrofo enya asem keto. People want better places to rent. It is a who tie me now your landlord. Now when him say o dan baby a wo no a good place now petitoned papa. And no one say wako Google. Now I search for zentrentsgh.com. So you Google Chrome there simple way to me download the application no. O create account wa upload a diner or rent no. Pictures or there to as many pictures as you can. Now the price are bon. Tenants never Zent Rents GH and once or best search baby or person rented dino or select here na chese wakwa inti the application will give a direct link. Tenants no able to meaning landlord no I have direct conversation, WhatsApp conversation without any agents in Sensembia into zentrentsgh.com. Anyway, so let's read the comments and try to understand. The journalist not sema obeka any. Or say, is there a reason this story has been deleted from your website and all socials and or target platform no the law platform and a platform no ebabe respond here? Or say, yes, a Supreme Court judge has prevailed on us. Out of respect for our law lord, we have unpublished for now. The story shall, however, be restored in the future. In the platform, they say, "Ane story no dey no kware, ye dey ya tro, ya report it." Nanso Supreme Court judge bi ene ya ba be kasa wo kasa story no sre. Ye ntwinsan. Enam ebuo a yebu ninti for so the platform confirmed say judge be as to whether a judge na say yes a judge no one knows, but say judge be a contact you Emma story no omo ye feel for the meantime, but in the future no mo de beto. If you na journalist no ba can say, are you saying a justice of the Supreme Court is influencing editorial policy of your platform? What do you also mean by you will restore the story in future? I am confused. Into journalists say, hey, who came there is scandalous. Say ya story be for Supreme Court judge my judge be a frail. Say mu intimwe. Not just say judges no. Their work can is a more influence. And you see, the journalist is speaking this way because journalists know say it is haram. Say politician be influence your editorial policy. Because akwa say politician be ababe expose afa ban ho na ban any sorry akwa say journalist be ababe expose afa politician be ho na politician ne journalist na kasa say o mesro men post mesro de yen kan wechi scandalous. Enti say yate say judge ye bibisa the journalist they don't understand or say e dey na ekosui asemu a wo kan no ana what is happening. Into the platform later responded say influencing editorial policy, no. Restore story means we have not deleted the story from our backend. We have temporarily restrained access to readers out of respect for our law lord, whose intervention we find in good faith, and to those the storm brewed by the story. In the platform, they are not influencing editorial policy. Na the omo ye ne say judge bi any omo aba be kasa say story no ama asem crofo bo judge na chi aye hweja nti no omo de omo ma adwobrembra nti omo yi story no na adwobrembra nti omo de omo ate judge na say. And a journalist na so be can say respectfully, if an outsider calls a news team to delete a story so the public can no longer have access. That is influencing your editorial policy. Ask a news editor for their views on this. Ono ka say dabi. Say judge na kasa na monso mu edi so dia na say the judge has influenced your editorial policy, which is haram in journalism. Nti e ho na platform no be kan say very well say thanks. The platform no be etu mo so okay the journalist na kan no. Omo ati ase. E na journalist nsan so be kan say so you should tell why the Supreme Court judge, which one, impressed on you to delete, and you're obliged to the public, and you're obliged so the public can fairly judge what is happening. Until then, I repeat, these are dangerous times in Ghana and for the judiciary because they asked you to delete a factual story. So when a journalist Nebeka say, can judge kra or catch them say mun delete story no, and I'm mun story in free ho. But the judge be to me yesadia, these are dangerous times. This is what the journalist said. Until later, and at that journalist we one of the top journalists in Ghana when it comes to reportage, your friend Austin, what you say, and he did the Austin. For people who know him, you know him very well. Until Hona, a journalist no eba betro on a social media platform so say obetro bibi, let me show you. Or say, dear Ghana Twitter, please, I need a lawyer to help me write a petition to the Chief Justice to investigate this. We cannot give judges so much reference and they stoop this low, undermine our democracy. In the end, the journalist is going forward, trying to petition the Chief Justice to, go after the judge, the Supreme Court judge, which could lead to the Supreme Court judge being removed because this could amount to once your reasons here, you say upeso yi judge say misconduct. Judge na show incompetence and a judge be show misconduct. So this could also lead to a misconduct. So the journalist came further to pose this. So what your lawyer no a petition the Chief Justice because a dear judge na ayeno. So you see something that started as not a big deal. So what's your assembly now to the echo? So I see how big of a deal it has become. This is the story. Won't you want your comment box in the moment? Ebusian for book now at that screen is on your friend the Ghanaian investor. This is your most practical guide. A better senior be investi ewa Ghana. Now a lot of people don't know, but you will be a friend of the Ghana Stock Exchange. Now Ghana Stock Exchange, we invest ewa Ghana Stock Exchange more. What it simply means, and it's a udi usika invest in some companies be a listed ewa Ghana. Companies be to say a year Ghana Commercial Bank, companies be to say MTN. Into the best investments are any Ghanaian can ever do. Investing in a Ghana Stock Exchange because on average Ghana Stock Exchange a return revenue and a ROI of 25%. What it simply means is that every single year biano when you crano na 25% if you invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange. This book is going to go take you through how to invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange, how to invest in a Nyamabia a friend mutual funds. Now aside this there are 3 other investment firms be a Ghana Hanson Swa. A yes secret and crowdfunding. If you purchase this book, you are going to get to know of those secrets or those investments, and then it's going to change your life forever. Get this book, The Ghanaian Investor. So open book maybe at a very simple number na at that book neso 055-807-4986. Obe to me a fresh number no. Ofra you best sort out with the book. Obe to me so our WhatsApp number no. So one person obe free and answer one person obe WhatsApp ya. Very simple on your screen. Video now wo hwe sisia no ube hu baby ya draw view products. Ube to me a click so a ube hu say books ni na ebeba. Na wa click book no o version ni twi video wo ho ni PDF wo ho ni English video enso wo ho twi video no eye for wo mo a eye na akenkan eye omoden omo ana wo muntu men kenkan brofo ni English video enso wo ho akenkan ya oden na nso pe brofo a English video wo ho PDF enso obi a wo hwe a wo pese wo kan wo phone so na trese bibia eco smooth no also there any the PDF. So that is also another way you can get the book. So what me now you Ghana ni now our brochure. You can just go on Amazon. Now I search a book no the title that screen is no the Ghanaian investor. Into search for book ne title Ghanaian investor. We won't say beba na wa purchase na tre say ya ship e dia bro e wa brochure ho. And I say video na wo hwe sisi ano ye wo baby e friend the description box e wo YouTube. Into na say obe click more. O click more obe call description box ni mu. Into call description box ni mu a obe hu say eye book no ne links ewa ha what ya say ope say o use mobile money a eno ne say wa click sa link na ya tro get my book here for mobile money, get the ebook here na wa click so na unsaka get the hard copy na wa click so na unsaka very 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 simple. These are the ways obetumi use enya book we yento book we ni yehu senia yebetumi invest. Ghana's economy is booming. I personally believe that the next set of billionaires and millionaires, no, they will be coming from the Ghana Stock Exchange. And so take advantage of this, learn how to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange amidst any other and all other investments, and also what Ghana for.